Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Date. Today I'm going to show you how do you change your processor. In this case, there is a Ryzen 7 3700X in here with my AIO cooler by Fantex. And here is my new processor, the 5700X 3D. I'm going to replace, and hopefully this system lasts for another 5 years. So the first step is to remove this water pump block. So I can use my hand, so it's easy. Make sure your system is all powered down without connected to any power source. That way it's the safest. Oops. Been sick a lot recently, so I might sound a bit sick to you guys. Yeah. So I've removed my water pump block, and as you can see, I put over a tissue there so that the leftover thermal paste on the bottom of the bottom block does not touch any of my motherboard or any other electrical circuit. That way it's easier for me to clean. And you can see the processor itself. I think the thermal paste is a little bit dry now, but I'm just going to use my tissue to wipe it a little bit just to show you this is indeed the Ryzen 7 3700X. And if you have isopropyl alcohol, use that. That will be better. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it is the 3700X. I need to wipe it a little bit more. Yep, 3700X. So the orientation is like so. I'm gonna try and match it for mine also. 5700X 3D. Okay. So I've also wiped off with the water block pump off the thermal paste. And likewise, if you have isopropyl alcohol, use that. That will be better. But otherwise, just try and clean it as much as possible. Now I can replace I can take out the processor and plug in my new one. So try and put it here. Then I put this Ryzen 7 like so, and then lock it down. Right, so the next step is to apply thermal paste. This is the one I'm using. This is a very budget option, so I don't think it's very good, but I'm just going to use it. I'm going to apply X pattern. Oh my god. That's a bit too much. So I'm going to try and spread it out. That's definitely too much on one corner. Yeah, so this is a very bad example, so don't do it like me. So there we go. Next, I'm going to put the water pump block as evenly as possible. Right, and then I'm going to screw it down with my 4 screws using the X pattern. And voila, and then you start the PC off and make sure everything is running. It'll be great. So that's how you replace a CPU, or even installing a CPU, especially AM4 Ryzen. So thank you for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe and find this if you find this video useful, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.